Good morning. This is Erica Madsen with Coldwell Banker, Howard Perry & Walston. I am out again today in Holly Springs, North Carolina. It's a gorgeous morning. It's about 67 degrees outside right now, sunny, great fall afternoon. I'm really enjoying it. I've come down this way to check out a brand new Meritage Homes subdivision that I want you to know about. They are building with the absolute best features in energy saving construction, green building. It's absolutely phenomenal for what you get with the price. They have, I'm going to read you some of the features because I've not quite got the list memorized just yet. Brand new stuff to the market. No other home builder in the area is doing it, and they are priced so incredibly well that this product is going to disappear as soon as the general public knows about it. They'll be gone. So they are included in the price point. These homes are just over around 3,000 square feet to 5,200 square feet. Big homes, which is great. If you're a baby boomer right now and maybe you have an older parent moving back in with you, or some teenagers or college-age students that are in school or have come back home due to the job market. So they are including in the construction in this Holly Springs subdivision. There's also a Raleigh subdivision. Spray foam insulation, double low-E vinyl windows, Energy Star appliances, energy efficiency lighting, programmable thermostats, 15 SEER air conditioning units, unheard of, high performance plumbing fixtures, and low VOC carpets, paints, and finishes, along with a ton of other stuff. And obviously, it's brand new construction. You can build the floor plan that you like on the lot that you like, choose all of your options, coloring selections, your cabinets the way that you want. It's an incredible deal. Pricing starts in the low 300s, basically $299.9 up to $369.9.